press a button, Austin. Press another one. Sit down. Now start rowing. Grab on the green. Grab it and start rowing. Boing. Put his arms on the thing. Start rowing, see? Grab it. There you go. Good. Is that fun? Oh, don't get that excited. Oh my God. It's a little banana that he just had.
That's awesome.
Tim, can you get a paper towel, please?